if they had to walk to the pad. But
we're on countdown.
And there they are. We're getting our first look at the Axiom 1 crew as they exit the suit-up room. We can see there Michael Lopez Alegria, Larry Connor, Eitan Stibba, and Mark Pathy.
This is our first live look at the Axiom 1 crew suited up for their mission to the International Space Station.
You can see them there getting a few photos together. They look ready.
What do you think they're saying? 3, 2, 1.
That's perfect.
What?
I think they're saying, you know, guys, we have worked so hard to get to this point, and let's go do this.
Yeah. That's great. So now they're going to hop into those Teslas. It's about a 2,000-foot drive, or walk if you wanted to. Yeah. But, you know, we want to keep everybody cool and comfortable before hopping into their spaceship. So we're going to drive them up to the pad from Falcon Support Building.
And as you saw on your left side of the screen, Michael Lopez Alegria, the commander, and Larry Connor, the pilot, are riding in one Tesla together, and in the other is Eitan Stibba and Mark Pathy. So again, you can see there on the left side, from left to right, we have Larry Connor and MLA in one Tesla together, and on the right side of the screen, you can see Eitan Stibba and Mark Pathy. So they're getting buckled in, the doors came down and closed, and they are ready to get to the pad.
Right now, the team inside the Tesla is just doing final checks with the crew, make sure everybody is good to go, and depart for the tower.
And for their own comfort, Kate, you know, they have umbilicals in the Tesla that connect to them, so it keeps them cool and keeps powered on.
Yeah, we actually have vessels inside the Teslas themselves that pump out nitrox, or nitrogen, oxygen, air. We know it's the same stuff that scuba divers use in their tanks when they're underwater.
Right.
And that is pumped through the umbilical into the suits to help make sure that the crew members, like you said, remain cool and comfortable during their ride. It's the same thing. It's basically the same hookup that we plug them into whenever they're actually inside the capsule itself.
Right. Well, as the Axiom 1 crew ride out to their rocket, we thought it fitting to hear a few of those from across the Axiom family wishing them well.
Space exploration has always been about inspiring others, and this AX-1 mission is bringing about a new type of inspiration for the world.
Congratulations, guys. I'm very excited to work with you to complete your science experiments and your educational outreach when you get on board ISS. Godspeed, and go AX-1 crew.
We know you guys are prepared, and we'll be supporting you here from Mission Control in Houston.
Launch day is finally here. Your cargo is packed and ready, and we can't wait to see you on orbit. Go AX-1.
I just wanted to wish you all luck and reiterate how inspiring this mission is for me and many people here on Earth.
The prop team at Axiom Space would like to wish the AX-1 crew safe travels to and from the ISS. Fly safe, and we'll see you on orbit.
I just want to wish you guys a safe, smooth ride up there. And on behalf of the Axiom operations leads, we're looking forward to supporting you guys when you get on board. Hope you have a good stay.
We are so excited about our first launch, and congratulations to the crew of AX-1 on making history.
Thanks from the payloads team. We're really proud of the science that you guys will be doing on this mission, and look forward to hearing all about it once you get back here on Earth.
Thank you guys so much for letting us pioneer and improve upon the commercialization of space. We wish you the best of luck on your journey.
We are absolutely thrilled to have worked with you in building AX-1. We're so grateful that you are doing this first for us, and we cannot wait for you to come home safely.
We are so pleased to be involved with this historic moment that y'all are about to journey, and we are wishing you safe travels, infinity and beyond.
As you're taking the next step in the evolution of the space industry, so I want you guys to be proud of that, embrace it, and Godspeed.
The Wright brothers once said that the desire to fly has been handed down from our ancestors looking up enviously at the birds soaring through space. And I just want to say it's now your time to be the envy of the birds as you soar higher and further than most of us could ever dare.
Good luck and Godspeed, AX1.